So here we have the Chef Remi kitchen shears. Just got these on Amazon. I like the little protective cover right there. Look nice. Let's see how they cut. So here's just some bubble wrap. Cuts right through it, no problem. Now for a little bit tougher thing that I've always liked doing. Cardboard and scissors are not normally a good combination. Look at that. Cuts through it like it's nothing. Well, so here you have it. A good pair of scissors for the money. I definitely like the little plastic protective cover. See how long it takes before I lose it, but 5 stars, definitely Chef Remi.